Welcome to the demonstration of the Griffin Hill Integrity Sales System certification course. You already know the power of the Griffin Hill Integrity Sales System. You know that it will develop skill, help to make people fluid in that skill, and deliver great revenue results. That was the experience that Lee had. Lee was changing from one sales job to another sales job mid-career. He just wanted to make sure that his skills were sharp and focused as he moved forward with his new job. As he dove into the Griffin Hill Integrity Sales System, he learned skills and sharpened skills that he already knew in such a way that he became the #1 performer at his new company. He sold more deals, more revenue, and the largest single deal that the company had ever experienced. This system can do that for you. As we talk about this demonstration, we'll look at 6 different items. Number 1, the instructional video element of the course. Number 2, the interactive commentary. Number 3, skill, knowledge, and performance assignments. Number 4, high performance sales journal. Number 5, downloadable podcast. And number 6, certification. Let's start with the instructional video. First of all, the video is very convenient and easy for you to use. It allows you to decide when you're going to get the instruction and where you get the instruction. One of the course participants indicated that this feature really made it powerful for her because she could pause the lesson and take detailed notes to make sure she really mastered a concept before she moved on. This is also the place that you'll be able to download the workbook. You'll go to this upper right-hand corner under Course, click on that, down to Materials, and at the bottom of the materials will be the downloadable workbook. This downloadable workbook will be a great place for you to keep notes as you observe and watch the instructional video. Number 2, the interactive commentary. So as you go through the course, right underneath the course is the place that you can see comments made by other course participants. It will capture things that they learned from the course, and it also gives you an opportunity to join the conversation and join the community. When you add comments to the course as you go through, it helps to solidify learning for you and capture key things that you learned. It will also help you to learn things that others picked up and thought were very important. Number 3, let's look at skill, knowledge, and performance assignments. It's one thing to get the knowledge and to make sure that you're following it as you go along, but being able to produce is an important part of knowledge acquisition. So here's an example of a writing assignment. When you have to write rapport plays, you have to produce them. It's one thing to be able to understand what a rapport play is. It's something else entirely to be able to produce them and share them. Being able to produce them here allows you to intensify the learning and the instruction that you're getting. There are other types of learning assignments as well. But let's go on to number 4. Number 4 is the High Performance Sales Journal. Again, a writing assignment. What we know is that when you write, it facilitates discovery. The journal actually solidifies your learning and facilitates increased performance in you. One of the participants in the course indicated that the journal really helped him to connect with what he learned and connect that learning with what he wanted to do and what he wanted to accomplish. You'll get the same result from the High Performance Sales Journal. This is also a place where the coach can observe what you've written and make comments about your progress and your observations. Number 5, the certification badge. The certification badge is really a value because this is something that you're going to be able to post right on your LinkedIn page. That certification acknowledges to everyone in your contact community that you are certified in the Griffin Hill Basecamp certification course. It elevates your prestige, demonstrates your knowledge, and acknowledges that you're making progress as a professional. Finally, this downloadable podcast. This makes your time valuable wherever you are, so that you can know that if you're stuck in traffic somewhere, but you wanted to be sharpening a skill on rapport or position or benefit, or you wanted to work on your needs audit routine, this is a place where you'll be able to listen to the instruction while you're in traffic, moving from one meeting to the next. This downloadable podcast keeps the information at your fingertips wherever you are and at any time, so that you can sharpen that skill or review something that you wanted to prepare for an upcoming meeting. So there you have it. This certification course is going to help you to develop your sales skills in process, plays, metrics, and coaching. It will help you to become more fluid in those skills, and it will help to deliver great revenue results for you. You, just like Lee, can be among the top performers in your team, selling more total deals, greater total revenue, and the biggest deals that your company has experienced. Welcome to the certification course.